Simply come out. You know about me, right? You hear me? Come out. Hey madam, who are you?
I had no place to go to, so I came here and slept in the bus. Can I go tomorrow?
What is your name, madam?
Jagan Mohini.
Shall I call you Mohini from now on?
Yeah, you can call me that.
Mohini, if you stay in this old bus, you won't have security. You come with me.
I'm really becoming scared.
Don't be afraid. You just come with me.
Oh my god.
I'm seriously scared
Don't
now.
be afraid. Just come. Don't make noise. Will you have drinks? That's it. Chicken biryani for you. Eat it fast. Okay. After 10 o'clock, shops also won't be open. Without drinks, I can't even sleep.
Come, dear. I'll put you to sleep.
Shit. Hello?
Hey, how many times I'm calling you? What are you doing there?
Sir, I actually slept.
Am I giving you salary for sleeping or what? That next door Swami had called me now. Someone has tried to steal our bus. Find out immediately. I'm just on the way now. Come on, quick.
Okay, sir.
What happened?
My boss is coming. You wait here. I'll come back within a minute.
Hey, what are you staring as though you've seen a ghost? Where is my bus?
Bus, it actually went, boss.
You mean gone? Where has it gone?
It went by itself.
You fool, what are you blabbering?
He's telling the truth, sir. The bus had gone automatically. I saw it with both of my eyes, sir.
Swamiji, since you told me, I'm believing it. Because I don't believe the stupid fellow.
But don't think that he's a good person, sir. In between, he had picked up a girl, sir. I saw it with both of my eyes, sir.
Girl?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Here, sir.
Hey, hey, don't run. Stay there. I said stay there. Don't run. Hey, stay there, man. Don't run. Hey, stay there. Where is he gone? Come on, search.
Hey, my leg is really hurting.
Yeah, I'm also paining.
We need to go to Palakkad. Do you know when the bus will come?
Our village is totally affected because of Hartal. So today, no bus has gone in this route.
Is there any other way to get to Palakkad?
As far as I know, not possible at all.
Then I think we should stay back there and go back in the morning.
What is your problem? You're accommodated in a hostel. You can come and go anytime you want. Nobody is going to question you. Have you thought about me? I surely should reach home before morning, else my mom will make a big issue out of this.
Hello, Mala. I'm Jyoti's father, Arunachalam speaking.
Uncle, you? Why you didn't come to my marriage?
Excuse me for that. I had little work at the office. That's why I couldn't come. Is Jyoti there?
Jyoti has started to Palakkad, Uncle.
Today there is a bus strike, right?
Oh my god.
Buses won't run.
I already told Uncle, but she's saying that her mother will scold her. You don't worry, Uncle. As soon as he comes, I'll pick up her.
Hey, you have sent her daughter alone. Don't you have common sense?
Just relax. What happened now?
They're saying she has already started from the marriage hall. No bus is running. We don't know what all trouble she is actually facing right now.
Whose call was that?
My mom's calling.
It's only your mom. You can talk to her. Why you are scared?
I have no idea what to tell her.
Then I will tell her.
What can you tell her?
I will tell her that her son-in-law is speaking.
I myself haven't told her about us. What can you tell her then? If you talk to her now, it won't be right. I'll manage it. What is it, Mom?
How long I'm trying to call you?
Mom, there is no network over here. I can't hear you, Mom. Please, Mom, don't shout.
She always keeps lying.
Where are you now?
I'm at the bus stand, Mom. There is not one bus here. What can I do? Mom, please adjust for one day, Mom, please.
Oh dear. For this only I told not to go. See now father is also getting worried.
Mom, there is a bus coming this way.
Okay, be careful and come carefully.
I promise I'll be home by morning. You don't worry about me, Mom. You please eat dinner and sleep, okay? Sir, are you going to Palakkad?
Going to Palakkad. Just get in.
Can we believe that this goes to Palakkad only? You please tell me. This bus looks unfamiliar to us.
What, Mala? Did you sleep?
Yeah, I just slept off.
Where are your friends?
They have left already.
Today there is bus strike.
They will be in bus stand itself. We'll go and pick up them.
What is that urgency? They could have gone in the morning, right? Okay, just call and ask where they are. I'll send the constable to get them back. You take rest.
Look, dear,
What?
I'm not getting the line.
Give me your friend's photo.
Photos and all I don't have, but now only I just took a snap.
This is enough. I'll take care now. You go and take rest.
I already took rest. Today I would like to come with you.
Okay, then come. If you don't mind, my wife also wants to come today. You don't have objections, right?
She will. There is no objection.
You go and sit there. Five, 6, 8, 10, 13. Sir, ticket, sir? Sir, give me for Palakkad.
Two tickets for Palakkad.
Mister, it's you. Are you really a conductor? Why are you asking like that? You have written 1998 on the ticket? Oh ho, which year is this?
98.
You also tell me, sir, which year is this?
98.
Which year is this?
98.
What are you doing, man? I have written it correctly. It is 1998. Where is this bus going? We are going from Kochi to Palakkad. Are you coming from Kochi? I've not seen this bus there. Don't ask me questions. I don't like that. Sir, I'm asking you, which year is now? Which year is running now?
98.
What happened? You're also talking something?
In my ticket also it's written 98. Whatever is the year, we just have to reach our place. That's all right. You just simply sleep.
What is this confusion? Sir, did you see any bus going this way?
No bus has gone, sir.
Sir, have you seen this lady anywhere here?
Yes, sir. Few minutes before I saw her in the bus stop. I told her today bus is not running. One fat person suddenly started chasing them.
Who are you telling? Is it this person?
Yes, sir. He's the one, sir.
Which way they went?
This way they've gone, sir.
Okay, you go now. Okay, get inside the jeep. Mala, Jyoti and Saravanan has been kidnapped by the terrorist.
I'm really very scared.
Don't be afraid, Mala. With her, Saravanan is there, right? They wouldn't have gone much far. We'll find them soon.
Dear, please stop the jeep. Look at there. Dear, look at there.
Oh, sir, I think this involves ladies. I shall go and check. Thank you, sir. Hey, man.
Hey, police.
What happened, dear?
Police, come on, let's escape.
Where are you going, yaar?
Hey, police.
Aha. Thank you, sir. This is my case, sir. I will do it. You can go.
This is your case. Just come, man.
I was waiting for this only. Hey, man, what is your name?
My name is Kani, sir.
This is my area. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, sir. I've done a big mistake, sir. Sorry.
Okay, I forgive you. Just go.
Run.
Hey, where are you going? Come here. You should come to station with me. I will give you a lot of
The
jobs.
inspector is calling you.
Who's there, man? They won't let me do my duty, huh?
Why are you working like this? Who's going to see and who's going to take care of you? Come.
If you're sleepy, you go and sleep.
I'm not going to sleep without you. Are you going to come with me or not? How many times I'm calling you? Try to understand. Come, let's go.
How can you talk all this at this age? To escape from your troubles, I'm running my shop at night.
I thought you're working hard because of me. Now only I come to know why you're having here. Now only I come to know why you're sitting whole night here.
Stop talking nonsense. Just go and sleep. Let me do my work.
Ha! Daily you're giving 1,500 something. That's why you're sitting here. Who is going to care?
Don't act like a ghost at this time.
Can I make a phone call?
Tell me the number, ma'am.
9841236042.
1 minute.
Hello? Mala, this is Jyoti here.
Jyoti, we are just searching for you. Where are you now? Today bus strike, no? You don't have any problem, no?
Yeah, totally fine, Mala. I got a bus to Palakkad.
What you're saying? I'm not able to understand you. Palakkad bus?
I'm going to Palakkad in bus number 666 now.
They told today's bus strike. If you have any problem, please inform me, dear.
Mala, I didn't want you to worry. That's why I called you now. I'll reach Palakkad tomorrow morning and then I'll give you a call, okay?
Ask her where is she calling from?
Jyoti, from where you're calling?
Mala, I'll call you later.
She disconnected.
See the incoming call and call to that number.
Sir, I can't find the bus I came in.
What are you talking, madam? When did you come by bus? You came by walk, right?
No, sir, I came in a bus. 666 was the number.
I'm running my shop from 10 years. 666 number bus doesn't even run in this route. That too today is bus strike. How come bus will run? Hey madam, pay for the phone you called.
Here, sir.
I don't have change. Wait, I'll go and get you.
Where is the bus? Sir, where did you go?
Where did you go, madam? I was waiting here. Go and sit inside.
I was searching for the bus and you're sleeping very nicely here.
Where did you go?
I went to make a phone call.
20, 30, 40. Huh?
It's ringing. Here.
Hello? Whom do you want? It's me, Inspector Money talking. What is the matter, sir? What is your name? My name is Arumugam, sir. Arumugam. Some time back, one lady called me from your shop. Can you call her on the phone? She called, she didn't even take the change, she just ran away. What are you talking? She came by bus, right? Huh. She said she came by bus, but she only said she can't see that. But I didn't see any bus, sir. Okay, where is your shop? On the highway, sir. Okay, I'll come soon.
What happened, dear?
Today, none of the buses are running. This guy's shop is 50 kilometers from here. How did your friend travel 50 kilometers so soon? I don't know. It's so confusing. Who is Arumugam here? It's me, sir. Arumugam. Is it this lady who came and called in your shop? Yes, sir. Did someone come with her? No one came, sir. She was alone. Did any bus come here? No, sir. For 50 kilometers, she just came by walk?
It is really cold.
I think you are in romantic mood. What happened? If you are feeling cold, then why am I here?
That is what I wanted to tell you.
What did you say?
Okay. Now come on, hug me tight.
Oh, sir, one very important thing. You should not misunderstand me.
Whatever you want to tell it fast.
Actually, sir, this 666 numbered bus met with an accident 10 years back. The driver, conductor and the passengers, all of them died in that, sir. On a full moon day, all of them will come as ghosts. That's what villagers believe. Today is full moon day, sir. You just got married, sir. And that's not all. I also just got married for the second time. You should think twice before doing this.
Hey, get lost, man.
Whatever I have to tell, I told. You can go.
Hello? Will you stop the bus or not?
That bloody fellow is torturing us, buddy.
When his time comes, he'll only come to me.
He has got a gun with him, buddy.
He has a gun?
Yeah.
Will you stop the bus or not? Otherwise, I'll shoot you right here. Will you shoot? Stop the bus right here. Otherwise, I'll shoot you right here.
Sir, he is the terrorist whom we are chasing. Hey, how did you get here? Who put you here and left? Tell me, tell me.
Ghost. More than ghost, you are the dangerous person. Yes, Inspector. Whatever sins I did, I got the proper justice for that. I shouldn't have gotten inside that bus. It's a ghost bus. It just threw me outside the bus.
You fell from a bus. We can't see any bus here.
When police was actually chasing me, that time only I saw that bus. Then only I realized that whoever takes that bus, they won't come back alive. It's not possible. Hey, who all are there in that bus? In that bus, one guy and one lady is there. If possible, somehow rescue them. Rescue them. Rescue them.
Can you answer me for my question? Saying that souls are roaming here and there, is that true?
That is really nice. She is asking me about ghosts. Let me try and hit
What
on
are you
her.
thinking, sir?
Hey, that is nothing. All these ghosts are for real. On a full moon day, these villagers have seen these ghosts in a bus.
I'm really scared about souls, sir.
Hey, I am here. Why should you fear when I am here? If you are scared, you can come and hug me.
No, sir, I'm feeling shy.
See, at night all these ghosts can come and scare you. That is what I'm saying. That is why I'm telling you to hug me. Just come.
Is that not wrong when we are in duty,
Hey,
sir?
there is nothing wrong in that. All that is in our eyes. If we think it's wrong, it's wrong. If we think it's right, it's right. All right, come on. Hey, not that. Come hug me.
No, sir, I'm feeling shy.
Hey, that is really nice. You are into it already. Why are you feeling shy now? Come, hug me.
Sir, Inspector is calling you.
Yeah, you can go. They won't allow me to do my duty.
Come, doctor.
Thank you, Inspector.
Body's there. You guys go. Go and help them.
Sir, did you call me?
Immediately call to all checkposts. If that bus comes, tell them to stop.
Which bus, sir?
That terrorist said, right? That bus.
No, sir, we can't see that bus.
That bus could have gone before we came there. Not only to the checkposts in our limits, tell all the checkposts to stop that bus.
I called in all checkposts, sir. Nobody has seen a bus like that, sir. Sir, please don't misunderstand me, sir. Should we always go behind these ghosts, sir?
Then what can we do, man?
Listen, sir. In our place, there is this scientist who always does research about ghosts. I think we should ask about these ghosts to them, sir. What happened, sir? Please don't think about it. Listen to me for once.
Then immediately arrange for a meeting with that scientist who does work on ghosts. Get me an appointment.
All right, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Hello? Hello? What is this? I don't get the line at all. Hello? Is it police station?
Yes. Who is
It's me,
speaking?
Govindan, sir.
Mr. Govind, what is it?
Nothing, sir. I just want to see you urgently.
Is it an emergency?
Yes, sir. Very urgent.
If that is the case, you should look back.
Sir, you're not police, sir. You're God. Before I called, you came here?
I can understand that, but what is the matter?
Nothing, sir. For urgent help, it was written that you called to this number. That's why, just to test, I just called to your number, sir. That's it.
That is the matter. That's why I came. 1 second. Let me put the stand. What is this,
Sir,
man?
sir,
We have
please leave
been
me, sir.
going
Sir,
around
sir.
searching for
Sir,
that
please leave
ghost
me, sir.
bus,
Please, sir.
and now you
Sir.
are doing this,
Sir,
sir.
please leave me, sir.
Don't disturb us. Will you disturb? Hey, hey, just run. Hey, go away, go.
sir.
Night in my dreams, I feel you.
Okay, stop.
Oh shit, I have to handle this one.
Who are you, man? Yeah, you can go. Just go enjoy.
Why are you telling this so seriously?
Just go and enjoy. Be happy.
Oops. You're always late, yeah. Huh? Wow, you came, huh?
Sorry, sweetheart. You know, I have to avoid a lot of jealous people who are seeing me. You know, with great difficulty, I've come to meet
Oh
you.
my dear, you know I've cooked all your favorite foods. Now you're
Really?
saying like this. Come and have it. Come.
Sure.
Whose vehicle is this in front of my house? I am not sure why he came here.
Today no one is going to disturb us.
Who's that?
Oh my gosh, someone.
Who's ringing the bell now?
Oh, I think it's my husband, yaar. I don't know what to
This is
do.
not fair. You said your husband is coming only next week.
Oh, don't shout. Talk less. Okay, I don't know what to do now. Do you know to repair the TV?
I know to repair only an apple.
You useless fellow always says like this. Oh, what to do now? Do one thing. Go and act like a TV repairer. I'll manage.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll manage. I'll
Go,
somehow
go, go,
manage.
go.
Okay, you carry on.
Oh dear, come.
What happened, darling? Were you sleeping?
No. Actually, TV got repaired.
Oh, TV got repaired. Don't worry about that. I will buy you a new TV.
No, G. Actually, I know one fellow, the TV repair wala. You know, I call him now. Immediately he came. You know, he's doing that work. Actually, I am also helping with him. That's why I came late to open the door. Yes, dear. Actually, he's very nice, you know. He's doing all the work nicely.
Oh, is that the case? Then I should appreciate him. Then come.
I told na that fellow, he's that guy.
It seems like I have seen him somewhere. Hey, just turn around. I want to see you.
Hello, show your face. Oh, not this one. Actually, show your face.
Hey, why are you
man.
talking to him? Hey, hey, is that you? You came into my house.
Sir, please forgive me. I didn't know that this is your small house, sir. Sir, don't do anything, sir. I'm going immediately, sir. Sorry, sir.
No,
Please, sir.
I won't leave you. Hey, tell me, do you like him? Then that means you are not my keep from now. He is not your secret lover. You should understand this. From today, you are husband and wife. Hey, wake up.
What happened?
Everybody is sleeping. Let's escape. After this, we won't get the right time. Yeah, let's go.
All of you get inside the room. The bus will start only tomorrow. Till then, everyone take rest.
Sir, we urgently have to reach Palakkad. We'll get another bus and go.
Yes, that's right.
Whoever gets to know our truth cannot go back with life. Simply get inside the room.
Why are we asking him? Come, let's go.
Hey, come, let's go.
Wherever we go, why are we coming back here? Oh no.
Hey, I don't understand anything. Okay, you come.
Who's it? What happened to you?
I think there is a ghost in my room. I am really scared.
I thought so. I knew you were up to something when you came here. Before marriage, even if I be alone with the ghost, I will never be with you. If you stay over here, I lose my control. First, you better go to your room. Fast, fast.
Hey, I am telling you very seriously. I can't sleep there alone.
Even I was serious. Before marriage, we should not be together. You go now.
Hey, go. I think the ghost is better than you. Leave me.
Come.
How did you come here?
Come. Come.
No, I won't come. No. No, I said I won't come. Hey,
Come on,
how did you
come
come
on.
here?
Don't
Hey,
leave him.
help
Come
me.
on.
Why are you running like this? What happened?
Oh, why did you ask me? I and my friend went in a bus. In that bus, all were ghosts. I somehow escaped and
Oh
came.
no. Is that the case? You come sit, sir.
Hey, sister, can I eat something? Thank you so much. I am feeling so better now. Hey, where did she go?
Hey,
What happened?
did I not tell you to not come anywhere near my room?
That's right, but see where you are lying down. You are in a graveyard and then you are saying like this.
Somebody come and please save us!
How much ever you shout, nobody is going to hear you. I came and tried this before you. Nobody knows we are here. Nobody can even hear us here.
I'm really getting scared.
What is the point in getting scared now? When I said we shouldn't sleep alone, you didn't hear me. Now you experience. All this is fate. Let's see what happens. Why are we standing under the sun? Let's go and sit there. Come, let's go.
Hey, we somehow have to escape from here. My mother will be really worried.
Hey, who are you? We were thinking how come we reach here? And how did you come here?
I just came to help you both.
What is she telling us?
You know, actually, few minutes before only they buried me. Actually, I am that lady.
I didn't understand.
Are you a ghost?
Yes.
What are you doing here?
If I feel bored, sometimes, by mistake, man will come to ghost world and ghost will come to man's world. It will always happen by mistake. Like that, you guys came. You both don't know the world like this. It's a fate.
I am not really able to believe this.
You both touch me?
You look like a good-hearted ghost. Can you somehow help us to leave here?
Actually, really, I don't know. But if you didn't go within 3 days, you can't go forever from this place actually. Then you have to stay here forever. No one can help you. This will happen for sure.
You mean within 3 days?
Yes, my dear.
Already 1 day is over now. Only 2 more days are left. What are we going to do now?
Oh my god, I am not scared. Oh my god, I am not scared. I will never get scared of the ghost.
Hey, how are you,
I
buddy?
didn't do anything.
Where are you coming from? And that too in this midnight.
Oh, that is because I went for a night show and came back now. Why are you laughing like the ghost in the
Your house is near the
movie?
graveyard, right? When I used to come to your house during the daytime, I've seen lot of ghosts. So you be very careful. You're going home during the midnight, okay?
Oh my god. Shouldn't he go simply? Why is he talking about graveyard? Even otherwise, I am not scared, eh? You are an idiot. Why did you decide to live near a graveyard? Only because of that, now you are getting scared. Even otherwise, you keep saying that you are not scared of ghosts, huh? Who's that? Who's that? Who did answer to my question? Hey, it is me, your conscience. Oh, my dear conscience. I was wondering how to go alone, huh? Why did you come to scare me? That is because you are anyways walking near to a graveyard. I thought I will come with you, that's all. If you don't want me to come, then I will go, eh? Hey. You also left, eh? That guy also left me alone. And now conscience also left me. Now how am I going to go? Hey, I can go alone, eh? I'll definitely go. I will go. It seems like somebody is following me. It's okay. Somehow we reached here. Today no ghost actually caught me. Tomorrow again I will go for night show and see a movie. Where did they come from? They seem like I have seen them
Got
somewhere.
all. Now you're going to get.
What did you say? You are going to catch me? No,
where are
please
you
don't
going?
catch me. No.
Where are we
I don't
going?
want
No,
to be
wait,
caught.
go.
Hey, I want to
Where
live.
are you running to,
Hey,
huh?
you ghosts are not
Wait
nice.
a minute.
Please don't
Stop
catch me.
it.
I want to go home. Please, hey, no. I am a simple man.
Hey, if you cheat me and come here, will I leave you?
Sir, I can see the soul, sir.
Please keep quiet, dear. Let us hear their conversation for some time.
I couldn't repay your amount because of your torture. I passed away. Here too, you're disturbing me or
You
what?
took money from me and you died. Will I leave you? To get the money back from you, I also died and came after you. Simply give back my money. Did you understand?
How can I repay the amount in this world, buddy?
Okay, I accept it. In your next life, promise me that you'll give back my money.
I promise even now I'll give it to you back.
What is this, sir? Very wrong. Even after their death, they are asking interest means. What is the difference between soul and the human?
What to do, madam? In the world of souls, there are both good and bad souls. So it's our job to tackle all type of souls.
So, we don't have any other choice to escape from the interest even if we die.
We should lead a proper life without borrowing money from anybody. That's the only way.
eat. What is this? All this snake and ladder.
All my favorite.
This is not
Have it.
dosa.
Come on.
Hey,
Have
I
it.
don't want.
Yes,
Hey, I
yes,
don't want
have
all
it.
this.
Be
Hey,
nice.
you know how to
Have
cook. I
it.
thought.
Hey,
Please
where are you
leave me.
going? Come,
Hey,
have
don't
it.
come near me.
Come,
I won't
come,
get
have
caught.
it.
No, this time. No,
Come,
I'm going this
come.
side.
Where are
Hey,
you
don't
going?
come.
Don't run.
Hey, please
Come.
leave me alone. Hey, I want to sleep. Hey, no, please. Hey, I'm telling you, I'm not
Come,
hungry.
dear.
Please
Come,
leave
have
me
it.
alone.
Come,
Hey, I'm
come.
telling you. Hey, please. Hey, no.
Daddy, what happened? Did you see any bad dream?
You were right, my son. In my dream, I was given snake and lizard to eat.
It's not a ghost, it's mummy.
In my dream also your mom came, huh? Hey, instead of that, somebody else should have come.
What is this
It
sound
would have
over
been
there?
nicer.
Actually, what are you talking with our
I
son?
was talking just about you now.
Enough. Go and have a bath and come.
Again dosa. Hey, this is like dosa only. So what I saw was really a dream, huh?
Oh, got nightmare.
Hey, that is because yesterday I went for a night show horror movie. And because of that, in my dream, all ghosts were dancing with me. Because of that, I felt like I was in a ghost movie. You know one thing, if you get married to a ghost, you won't get scared of your dreams. You are always seeing them, no? Just like you.
Just go and have a bath and come here.
Yeah.
Daddy, even I want to watch that movie.
Hey, listen. In this age, I can see anything. But you should only dream about. Like our Abdul Kalam sir said, you should dream like that. Only then your future will be bright. Go and study. Let me go and take bath. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I hear you, and see the sky. What
Dear,
a
listen. I want to talk to you on important
Why
news.
did you come now? To say that water is hot, eh?
No, not that one.
Then what is the matter?
Listen, actually, our son's friend Jyoti's father told you to come Chennai very immediately. Really feel very bad.
Why are you getting scared for that? Now we don't have to search a girl for our son. I will go directly and talk to her father and then confirm the marriage and then take you along with me. How is the idea?
Saravanan and Jyoti are stuck in the soul's bus.
Ghost is riding the bus. My daughter is also there. How I will believe it? It's not fair.
That is what they're true.
Inspector sir, please tell us why have you come? Tell us clearly.
Initially, even I didn't believe that. But what she's telling, it is the truth. Based on what the terrorist told, I think Saravanan and Jyoti, they are stuck in that ghost bus. We have to believe that. That guy is a terrorist. How can we believe him, sir?
Hey, come on. Don't get scared for all this. She has gone with my son. Your daughter doesn't need to get scared. Huh?
What happened to my daughter, sir? Whatever it is, just tell me the truth, sir.
Hey, listen to me. Whatever they're saying is also right. You are all educated. That's why not believing. But we all live in villages. We do believe in ghosts, eh? There is a graveyard next to my house. Over there, many times I myself have seen ghosts, huh? Hey, that's not all. I have many times felt my wife is a ghost. Maybe you would not have thought like that.
According to me, I know one scientist who actually does work on these ghosts and all. His name is Ravichandran. Let's go to him and ask what is the solution for this.
Then we'll do that now itself.
We should not go behind science for this. I know someone who is best for matters. I think we should go and see her. Everything will be alright. Hello? Nobody is here.
What do you want?
We had an appointment for meeting, sir. Is he there?
You are inspector, no? Madam, inspector is coming.
Yeah, he is here.
Come, sir. He is waiting for you only. Sir, inspector has come to see
Oh,
you.
is it?
Hi, sir.
Welcome, Inspector.
Hello, sir. I'm Mani.
Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Please take your seat, sir. May I know what is the reason you have come to see me?
We have a case based on ghosts.
Okay.
We want your help, sir.
Are you trying to arrest a human soul, Inspector?
No, sir. Ghosts are running a bus and 3 people are traveling in that bus. Can you believe this story?
Yes, Inspector. I can believe this completely. In this entire world, during the research of souls, such miracles has happened. A soul not traveling in bus alone. It travels in a lorry, it travels in a car, it travels in a train, it travels in a ship. Such things has happened in various parts of this world and it has been recorded too. Can you believe, sir? A city at London, a bus traveling soul was seen by a lot of people in different parts of London. Some people have heard just the noise alone. Now let me clarify one thing, Inspector. Have you seen that bus traveling soul in your eyes directly?
No, sir. I couldn't see that bus at all. But suddenly we saw a terrorist who was actually killed by that ghost. They just threw him off the road. When he was dying, he actually said all of this. Then only we believed that such a bus is there.
Then what happened to the other two?
Even now they are actually alive in that bus. We have to save them, sir. You have to help for that.
What is this, sir? It's just like the story in the comic book.
It's truth. If we can see that bus somehow, I'll definitely save them.
If you are able to save those 2 lives, I will help you to see that soul traveling bus from my side.
How is that, sir?
In the research of the souls, I have learned lot of things and have good experience too. I have made a camera myself to see the human souls. With that camera, we can shoot what's going on. I will give you the camera, it will be helpful for you. With that camera, you can see the soul traveling bus and can catch them.
We would like to see your camera.
Do one thing.
Sir?
You bring that camera and show to the inspector.
Okay, sir.
The most important thing is, with the help of viewfinder in that, you can see the ghost directly through your eyes. With the help of a cable, you can record it in a CD and you can see whenever you want.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're giving the camera for us. Where we can search the soul bus?
Basically, such type of circumstances, the soul traveling bus or any other vehicle will travel only in one route. If you go to that particular place and take a photograph, you can find it easily.
Thanks a lot for your help, sir.
Any research about human souls, anytime you can call me, I will help you. Sure. I will always help the police department because it is my duty.
Do you know about these ghosts? I know I can catch them. Whichever route you go, I can catch them.
What we can do now, sir?
I have an idea.
What, sir?
That is, we have a camera with us. We should switch it on and ask one of the ghosts that where the ghost
Sir,
bus went.
I'm very scared of souls,
Oh,
sir.
that is good. I have one great idea for that. Let me tell you.
Oh, just shut up, sir. I know about your idea. If you're scared, come and hug me, you will say. I also will come and hug you. At that time, inspector will be coming. He will scold us. Do we need this?
Hey, no, that inspector won't come now. He just got married, right? So he'll be busy. You don't have to worry about that. Just come and hug me. Come.
Oh, God.
Hey, come on.
Wait,
Hey,
sir.
come on.
Why
Come
you
on,
just
come
so
on.
hurry?
Hey, Ryan,
He has come again.
what are you doing here?
Sir, we were discussing how to catch the ghosts.
Start immediately. On the way, go to that bus company. Ask them which way that bus went in its last trip. Go get that.
Yeah, sure, sir. Let me take her also.
Huh? No. Let Asha be here.
That is because, sir, you just got married, sir. You can have fun with your wife. She'll be a disturbance.
Nobody should tell like this. That is why I'm asking you to leave Asha here and go. You alone go and get that information.
Okay, I'm going, sir.
Let me see what is the hot news in the newspaper today. Liquor businessman shot dead at Mumbai. The most wanted rowdy, when trying to escape from police, was shot dead by the police. Oh my God! Local don shot by police during the encounter. Sit down, dear.
Oh God, what happened, Dad?
I am totally upset, dear. Today morning, I had a dream that police had come and killed me during an encounter. Same type of news I am seeing in today's newspaper also. That's the reason I am really upset,
Don't
dear.
worry, Dad. I am there now. If anyone come and hurt you, I will do something.
Sir!
I think somebody is calling from outside. Just go and check who is that.
Sir?
Who are you?
Hey, is this your house?
Yes, he's my dad only.
I want to meet your father. Can I meet him?
Oh, is it?
That's right.
Daddy? Police came to arrest you. Run outside. Go.
What? Police?
I will take
Hey,
care of him.
no.
Oh, he will also kill me by encounter. No, I have to
I
escape.
won't leave
Hey,
you.
come on. I
Oh
want
my
to meet
God,
you.
what will I do now? I have to hide here.
Hey, don't run. Hey, no.
Oh God,
Hey,
please
I
save
want to
me.
meet you.
Please
Hey,
save me.
please leave me. Hey.
Please
stop,
save me,
stop.
God.
Hey, I
Don't do
want to ask
anything,
you
sir.
something.
Sir, I have not
Leave
done
my
anything
dad.
wrong, sir.
Don't
Please
arrest
leave
Like
me,
that.
sir.
Hey, stop.
Leave
I
him.
want to ask you something. Hey, listen to me. This is just an enquiry. I am not here to catch you. Please
You will
understand.
tell enquiry only, but you will take to station and do encounter. I know very well.
Hey,
Leave
that's
him.
not right.
Leave my
Please
dad.
listen
I
to
will
me.
not
Hey,
come. I'm
leave me,
going.
man. Hey, no, don't do anything. Hey, don't do. I haven't done anything. Please don't do anything. Hey, no, please leave me. Hey, stop that. Hey, no, I won't leave you. I came here to ask about bus.
Bus?
Yeah.
Actually, the moment the bus met with an accident, I damaged it completely and I sold it part by part to a small businessman. I brought fruits and gave it to my daughter.
You gave it to a girl.
Ah.
No wonder the bus is still running.
Hey, you're talking nonsense about my daughter.
Oh
I
my
will not
God.
leave you.
Hey!
Hey, no, don't put that.
Mala, all the while, if you are with me in the duty's time, people will think differently about me in the department. From now on, you stay at home. Don't take it different, okay?
Okay, dear, I won't come. But surely you have to bring our friends home.
Asha. Oh, my dear Asha, where are you? Tell me where are you?
Oh my God!
I'm not able to see anything. Nobody is here. Where are you, Asha? Oh, my dear, where have you gone? I can't see anything over here. Sir,
But be careful with the souls, okay?
my dear Asha, where are you?
I'll take care of that. You don't worry, okay?
Soul, sir.
What are you telling? Ghost?
Yes, sir.
It's me, sir. What happened? Did you get scared? Somehow I came from there, sir. I came back, sir. Don't worry, sir. This is me only, sir. It is me. You can see now. Hey, it is me, sir. Oh.
Greetings, sir.
It's okay. Why are you staring me like this?
Nothing, sir.
I'm sure something is wrong in this bus. Let me find it out. I will find it out myself. The woman is proper here. Everyone has got an accused face. Who's this? Oh, an old lady.
Sir, you came at the right time. Please save us,
What
sir.
dear? What happened?
So many odd things are happening in this bus, sir.
Yes, sir. We are not able to understand, sir.
Please save us, sir.
Oh, such a small problem.
We've been trying to escape from here for a long time, sir. But nothing is working out, sir.
I thought it'll be a very big problem for you guys.
Sir, only you can help us.
Please, sir.
I will definitely believe both of you. Because I died very long before. Ooh, ah.
Sir, we can see the
Yes,
bus, sir.
sir. We can see the bus now.
No, I can't see it, sir. If we see it through the camera, then we can see it. See, it is coming there.
Oh.
Why did you stop the bus?
Somebody is trying to watch us and catch us with the help of a camera. Tell me, what should we do now?
Camera?
Sir, the camera is not working.
What are you telling, man?
Please have a look.
stop the vehicle.
Should I also come down?
You also get down.
What happened, sir?
What did you do, man?
I didn't do anything, sir. Maybe I did something. Hey, I can see lady. Sir, one lady is coming alone. Let me go and check one, sir.
Get lost, man.
Excuse me, please stop. Who are you? Madam, it is you. It's been so long. Please stand like this, sir. Oh, please bless me, madam.
Huh? What are you doing?
Madam, to see you like this, I am really lucky, madam. What do you want from me?
Get up.
Madam, what can I do for you?
There is a shooting in a nearby swimming pool over here. I came for shooting over there. I lost my way and came over here, you know.
I will show you, madam.
Are you sure it's not a trouble for you?
I am ready to do anything for you, madam.
Looks like the inspector is waiting for you over there.
Let him wait there, madam. I will come for you. I am really happy for that. You please come. I will take you. Come, madam. You can see the swimming pool there.
Thank you so much.
You said it is shooting. I can't see anybody.
See, the dancers have already come.
Madam, we have come long back, but no one has come from the unit.
Okay, you go. Okay, let me go change and come.
Shall I come along with you?
Sure, let's go.
We got a nice guy here today. Yes, buddy.
Eh? What happened now? She came with us. Where did she go? I don't understand anything. I can't see anything inside. Eh? Where am I? I was standing right here. When did you go?
Actually, that side one more way is there.
Oh.
Okay, leave that. How I'm looking in this dress?
How do I look in this dress?
Shall I tell? You're looking so handsome.
That is great. Hey, what are you doing? Please leave me. Oh!
Ryan? 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 What happened? Who hit you like this?
It's Mohini, sir.
Mohini?
Yes, sir. Mohini came in that bus. She saw that I am following. That's why, sir.
Don't get scared. I'll save you somehow. Ryan?
I'm really scared,
Ryan,
sir.
get
Please
up.
help me. Please help me, sir. I'm getting scared, sir. Please help me, sir.
Sir, camera is on,
Huh?
sir. We can see the soul bus. What happened to the sir?
Ryan has died.
What?
Okay, follow me.
follow the bus. Come on, quick.
Sir, I have something very important to tell you.
Tell me, madam.
There is something very fishy in the SI's murder.
You're absolutely right. Place where accident happened and the place where SA was dead, the distance is about 2 kilometers. When the inspector was trying to catch the culprit who attacked the SI, that time this accident would have happened. Do you have any doubt after performing the postmortem?
A human hasn't killed the SI, sir.
What are you telling, doctor? You mean to say that any animals would have attacked?
A human or an animal will not be able to do such a cruel murder, sir.
In that case, you mean to say that any alien would have attacked a sub-inspector?
No, sir. I was going to say that.
Sir, Inspector Mani is conscious now.
Okay, doctor. Please hand over the postmortem report to me at the earliest. We will meet soon. Inspector Mani, can you tell me where is he
Have
lying
you
down?
got hurt, dear?
To catch the ghost, I slipped and fell down.
What? Come, sir.
It's alright, Mr. Mani. Please relax yourself. The sub-inspector who was accompanying you has passed away.
I know, sir. He was killed by a Mohini.
A ghost? Are you blabbering because you met with an accident?
No, sir. I'm okay, sir.
I'm sorry, Inspector. I may believe your statement, but the media or the public will not believe your statement. Please relax yourself. You can take a 1-month sick leave. From today, I will handle this case myself.
Huh. Without knowing our situation, a friend of mine has sent me a huge joke.
Oh, it's a joke. Let me also read it.
Do you know the difference between a dog and a ghost? A dog has feet, while a ghost doesn't have one. This is what she sent me.
It's a very situational joke. If you have any doubt, you should check whether these ghosts have
Are
legs.
you teasing me? Mr. Mani, you're totally fine. I'm discharging you. You can go home now.
It's okay. Thank you, madam.
Let me send her a message.
What are you gonna say?
Hishu,
This is not the time for kiddish games, you
I'm
understand?
not playing any game. I want to tell that inspector that what is happening with us over here.
You think you're very smart. I've been trying for a long time now. There is no range over here.
You got your friend's message, right? So we can also send them back one.
Are you saying the truth?
Definitely they'll get.
What is that, Mala?
I got message from the Jyoti dear.
What is that?
Before 3 days, if you are not able to save them, they also will become soul, it seems. You only have to...
What can you do, Mala? Even if I believe, other officers are not believing that.
Jyoti is my friend, dear. And not only that, because of our marriage only it was happened, no? You only have to save her.
Welcome, madam. Welcome to our
Yes,
house.
my son. How are you?
With your blessings, everything is going on well, madam. But my only daughter is suffering, madam. You know about that. Somehow you have to save her, madam.
Okay, let's see the doctor.
Welcome, madam. Please come.
Hey, are you going to eat or not?
Come inside,
on,
madam.
open your mouth.
Please see that,
You
madam.
won't listen like this.
Please see her condition,
Why
madam.
are you torturing this daughter, my
You
girl?
don't know about her. She's putting makeup and pretending as she's acting now. You can't understand her.
Hey, get lost! Hey, why did you come here? Get out of here! You better get out of here, or else I will not leave you!
First, make this girl sleep.
You better get out of here, or else I will not leave you!
Throw it out.
We've been waiting for so long. I wonder what he has to tell us now.
bad.
Sir, can you please elaborate on what happened to Sharonan and Jyoti?
I heard it was a love story. Due to the pressure of their parents, they are staying somewhere else. Police is trying to find out them somehow. Soon we will catch them.
So wasn't it Ghost who killed the SI, sir?
I'm sorry, no comments please.
Sir, please answer us, sir.
Brother, please
Ah.
tell a tea.
Hey, give 2 teas.
The tea is just average. It is not for me.
I'll pour hot water in your body.
You are reading it in your mind. Read it loudly. Let us also hear.
You guys don't have any other work award. Always having free tea and free meals.
It is not my problem. Nobody is there in my size. That is why I am wearing it.
A ghost was riding a bus. 2 people were inside. Inspector who tried to catch them was attacked seriously. The sub-inspector who was attacked very violently has passed away. 2 policemen who accompanied them are critical
I asked
condition.
you to read the paper, not to read some story. What is there in the paper? Please read.
Buddy, this is the most important news today, okay? Listen
Is
to me
it?
carefully. Don't
Yeah,
ask me
yeah,
again and
read,
again,
please.
okay?
Thank you, sir. We'll leave.
We got call from Malaysia. They want to meet you, it seems. Very important matter. They want your appointment, sir.
Is that so? You give an appointment next week. Let them come and meet me next
Okay,
week.
sir. Hi.
Welcome. Welcome, Inspector.
Hello, sir.
Come on, please sit
I've
down.
not come as inspector. I'm just a money now.
Please don't feel, buddy. I also read in the newspaper. Normally, police department will handle such cases in this type alone.
My friend Jyoti has messaged me.
If we don't save them within 3 days, they'll permanently become ghosts, sir. You have to help them somehow and save them, sir.
Without a human body, operating a bus, which means the power is more for that human soul. Actually, it's very difficult to control these types of souls.
Can't we do anything for those ghosts?
Human souls which are operating together. I am trying to prevent it. I am doing a research on that. Mark my words, I will give you all the details at the earliest.
To complete these 3 days, only 1 day is left, sir.
Don't worry, madam. Any problem for a person, we can definitely find a solution to escape from that. If one door is locked, Almighty will definitely open the other door.
Everybody should see, we have come to a very special place. If we go inside, you will be surprised. All our problems will be over.
I don't believe all this. They look like frauds to me.
Hey, see here. Don't tell such things. It is not right, you see. You don't know about her. She has always done everything for the ghosts. We should wait here patiently, that's all.
You are Mr. Ramalingam. Please wait.
Nobody has called us now. See, she is coming here.
Mom has been calling.
We are ready for her. Let's go, let's go.
Come, my dear children, come. Please sit down.
My dear mom, she is the only child here. We both are adults. Please have a look at us.
Actually, for mom, all are children's only, my dear.
Whatever you say is right.
What happened? Tell me.
Madam, please, you only tell us with your knowledge.
Hey, don't tell her like that. Mom, I will tell you what happened. My son Saravanan and their daughter Jyoti is not to be seen. Everybody is saying that they went in a ghost bus. But we are not able to believe them. Please do something to find them.
Actually, you came at the right time only. They are in the ghost bus only. Actually, today night, we have to do puja in Kali temple. Only if we do this puja, surely I can save them right now.
If that is the case, I want to do that puja immediately.
I'm going to do this puja actually. All the ghosts will disappear from here. Don't worry about anything.
It's regarding ghosts. Whatever you say, we will do, my dear mom.
My dear ghost friends, today it's a special day. Our long travel will finish today itself. You know how? By 12 o'clock tonight, there will be an accident for this bus. When that accident happens, nothing will happen to us. People who are traveling with us, only those two will die in that accident. After those people die, we will stop our journey and we will go to heaven. Everyone be happy.
Some power is trying to block our way, buddy.
The power which is actually stopping us. I will show an end to that.
Come on, soon. Listen to me, I found out a new point. As per my view, we can destroy the ghost at the earliest.
So much light is there. Will there be a shooting? Hello.
Hello?
Sir, you are a big ghost scientist, Mr. Ravichandan, right?
Yeah, it's me speaking. What do you want to know?
Sir, my name is Govin. I had a doubt that you are Vikramaditya Ravichandan. I had your number, that's why I just called and tried, sir.
From where are you calling, sir?
I'm talking in front of you, sir.
In front of me?
Yes, sir.
You were the one who called me?
Yes, sir.
Just come here. I'm standing next to you. Why did you call me through phone? You could have spoken to me directly. Tell me, sir, what do you want to know?
I have a doubt, sir.
You can ask me. I will definitely clear your doubt.
Lot of generators are here. Lot of lights are here. You've kept a small camera. Are you shooting a film, sir?
Buddy, this is not the usual camera what you thought. It is completely different. We can see ghosts
Are you
through
shooting
this.
ghosts, sir?
Basically, I've come here to teach a lesson to the bad souls.
I didn't understand, sir.
You just relax yourself and see everything. Then you will understand everything.
What is this? I didn't understand anything. Come, sir.
Welcome, Mr. Money.
Greetings, sir. Like you said, the route in which that ghost bus comes, we have put all the lights, sir. We have switched on all the generators, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Money. As per my calculation, the bus will reach around 12 a.m. here. Now the time is almost 11:50 p.m. The moment I tell you, please be ready to switch all the lights, okay?
Okay, sir. Nothing happened to you, right?
You're
Nothing
safe,
happened to
no?
you.
Nothing had happened for you, no?
Thank you so much for saving our
All
lives,
right,
dear.
no?
I am not able to believe whatever happened. It feels like I just saw a movie. How did you eradicate all the
Basically,
ghosts?
the bad souls will not travel through light because they don't like it. They prefer darkness. That's the reason when the bus was coming, I'm giving instructions to switch all the lights. When the lights are on, the night becomes an artificial day. That's my plan. At this time, the bad souls try to move away from the place. And now, I'm happy that my plan was a success.
Thank you so much, sir.
Come, get inside the vehicle.
Dear sir, if you don't mind, can I ask you something?
Tell.
Nobody could see that ghost bus. How did you see them?
All because of this camera.
Is that
Only
so?
with this we could see the ghost.
That's great.